Hello everyone. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce everyone to my latest bootcamp called Power Utility Engineering BootCamp. This bootcamp is jam-packed with more than 18 hours of content featuring not just fundamental engineering knowledge that is required in the utility industry, but also helpful career knowledge that I've collected over the years to help you succeed in your career in the utility industry. I have included the link to my bootcamp in the video description below. This course offers comprehensive course material covering fundamental engineering concepts across the transmission and distribution infrastructures that you will find within power utilities, including areas such as transmission and distribution line infrastructures, substations, secondary distribution network, transformer, and last but not least, compatible units which are commonly used in the utility industry for project cost estimation. Aside from these fundamental concepts, I will also provide you a career roadmap with a list of advices that I have learned throughout my career, that I have learned from the different mentors that I have. In this section, I will answer questions such as how to start in the utility industry. What are the types of opportunities in the utility industry? How to pivot to other opportunities, as well as how can you scale your success and maximize your potential. In terms of pricing, there are two options available. The first one is a 3-month no-limit access to our bootcamp, and the cost is $30. If you want to have unlimited access to the bootcamp without any time restrictions, then there is our second option where the price is $88. Thank you, and I hope that you will enjoy our bootcamp. As I mentioned, the link to our bootcamp is in the video description below. Thank you, and I will see you in the bootcamp.